morning, West Elementary. It's me, your school social worker, Mrs. Spearman. I'm excited because today is Thursday and we don't have school tomorrow. So I'm going to sleep in. I don't know about you, but I'm a little tired. I wanted to talk to you guys today about something that really helps me to stay regulated, and I want to share it with you because I love it when you guys are regulated because you connect with me and I love connecting with you. Do you hear that? Yeah, it's music. Whoa, it's a piano. I think those are waves in the background. You know, when I hear that, it makes me think about the beach and what it feels like walking along the beach and the waves rolling in and the water looking so blue and peaceful. What do you think about when you hear that? What do you feel in your bodies when you hear that? Can you smell the air? You guys, take a moment to enjoy some music this weekend and mix it up. Try new things, try new music, and report back to me and tell me what you like, because these are the things that help you to remain regulated. And when you're regulated, you can be upstanders. And we are always interested in our upstanders and their stories. So you guys have a great weekend, and remember, Mrs. Spearman loves you very much.